Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Carnelian Insight. On today's episode, we have with us Ms. Suman Saklen, who is Manager Training and Development at Pakistan Refinery Limited. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank
So
you so
excited for this
much.
interview. So, Suman, my first question to you is that what led you to this role that you are in, and how has your journey been like?
All right, so I'll start this answer with uh, back into 2017. I was working with one of the leading manufacturing organization, and there I was, heading the doing the ops role. And one of my mentor told me, कब तक जो है वो ये ops वाला काम करना है HR में, you wouldn't be standing long with this. तो तुम कुछ ऐसा करो कि जो तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा हो और तुम्हारी personality को match कर रहा हो. So what would be I doing then? And he moved me and he transferred me into that role of OD, and there he actually pushed my limits and he checked each and everything कि आप किस तरीके से अपने आप को ट्रांसफॉर्म करेंगे from an HR ops person to an HR OD person specifically, and there I learned each and everything. And right now where I am today is because of that role, because whatever I have learned there as a freshie, I kept on applying those things, those tactics, those skills in my roles ki jo throughout chalte rahe. Down the line, it's after 9 years, it's something that I can say hard work's paid off. It does.
All right. So, in this amazing journey of 9 years, what are the skills and competencies that helped you grow into a manager in different roles? And what do you think are the competencies which are required right now in the training and development industry?
The most important skill or competency one should have, that is, interpersonal skills. The most important one would say communication, but when we say communication, so you need to be very much careful with this term. Along with it, I would say a person has to be adaptable and flexible with what's coming ahead. You need to know that. ऐसा नहीं है कि मुझे अगर कोई एक रोल ऑफर हो रहा था और मैंने जो है वो उसको इसलिए ड्रॉप कर दिया कि वो अलाइन नहीं हो रहा है मेरे कॉम्पिटेंसीज के साथ. नो, दैट वाज अ जर्नी ऑफ लर्निंग एंड लर्निंग. When we say learning orientation kind of thing, so it's a ongoing process. आपको वो चीज़ें बार बार आपने जो है वो याद रखनी है, उनको इम्प्लीमेंट करना है. नहीं आता तो सीखना है और सीख के उसको दोबारा इम्प्लीमेंट करके उस जगह तक लेकर आना है जहाँ पर you can say कि this is something that is now my competency is. I'm a kind of a person who's very shy when it comes to public or public speaking, or when it comes to handling a lot of people or crowd. I used to like, मैं बोलूँगी क्या, बात क्या होगी. But now I feel like कि नहीं, मतलब bring it on. I'll see what happens next. And this is something you need to work on your competencies. So a person has to be flexible, a person has to be adaptable, a person should know what's coming ahead, what your role demands very specifically. A person should have or work on the interpersonal skills along with the communication skills. That is very much important, because that would help you to grow, to opt on to new opportunities and to take new risks that would take you to somewhere in your life.
Absolutely. This communication part, that is actually very important, because from a new beginner to the leadership team, एक competency जो बिल्कुल constant रहती है, that is communication. And communication leads you to higher levels, and only the art of it. How do you communicate? Not only words, but also your body language, your perspective, your ideas, presentation and articulation, everything under the domain of communication.
Adding on to communication, there's another thing, that is your interpersonal skills. How you're going to communicate your things to other people. Along with it, how you're going to maintain your relationship with your peers, fellow colleagues, to the senior person, to the junior person, to the most junior person, and to the most senior person. And that all requires your communication. So every single time I used to say ki, you need to work on your body language, you need to work on your postures, the gestures, the expressions needs to be there. We just can't sit and say be a mediocre like this कि एक monotone tone के अंदर बात करेंगे तो वो तो मतलब वो engage नहीं कर पाओगे. आप expressions उसको बताओगे कि what you are feeling, good bad, that's a different case. but expressions needs to be there. Your body language says a lot more than you start speaking. Your energy is there, the vibe check is there. Half of the people, just met you because of your vibe check, just met you because of your energy. They enjoyed your company because बातें हम वही कर रहे हैं, आप भी वही कर रहे हैं, जो लोग हमें मिलते हैं हम भी वही कर रहे हैं, लेकिन बात करने के अंदाज में बहुत फर्क आ जाता है कि हम बात कैसे कर रहे हैं, हम मैसेज को डिलीवर कैसे कर रहे हैं, और फिर मैसेज को डिलीवर करने के बाद वो सामने वाला बंदा उसको कॉम्प्रिहेंड कैसे कर रहा है. So this is complete an art.
Yes, absolutely. So you also mentioned in your first answer, and हम ऊपर भी discuss कर रहे थे about mentorship, that you have this mentor जो आप after doing your training yesterday you called him and then you told him with all this joy कि I did it. What do you think कि mentors का क्या अहम किरदार होता है in your journey, in your professional journey? And have you been anyone's mentor and how is it like?
All right, so I would say mentors are the one who guides you in your career path. Other than this, how would you know that where you are heading? Someone needs to be there. कोई होना चाहिए जो आपको ये बताए कि अब आपका रोल आपसे ये डिमांड कर रहा है. सो मैं जब अपने एग्जीक्यूटिव वाले रोल के अंदर थी, एज आई मेंशन बिफोर, ऑप्स वाले रोल में, उसमें मुझे फील होता था कि नहीं, वट एवर आई एम डूइंग, मैंने बहुत एब्सोल्यूट बहुत अच्छा कर लिया है, मैं बहुत अच्छे से सब कुछ डिलीवर भी कर सकती हूँ, मुझे सब कुछ आता है. लेकिन अगर उस वक्त भी कोई एक चीज़ नहीं आती थी या जो मैंने अपने अंदर वो पोटेंशियल नहीं देखा था, वो मेरे मेंटोर ने देखा था मुझ में. सो मेंटोर इज द राइट पर्सन, और इज द पर्सन कि जो आपके पोटेंशियल को देख रहा होता है, आपकी कैपेसिटी को आपसे पहले देख चुका होता है 5 years ahead. As I mentioned, that person saw that potential back in 2017. Right now, I'm sitting in 2024 and being as a learning certified facilitator. I can say this कि अगर उस टाइम पे मुझे किसी ने कहा होता ना कि 8 साल के बाद आप यहाँ हो गए, तो I would have said कि you must be joking. But now, mentorship is very important, yet a crucial thing. People are lucky enough कि अगर उनको mentor मिल जाए. And I have started this mentorship back in 2023 and I guided few people with that as well. That how you are going to shape up your journey, how you are going to upgrade your level, and that is important. This is what I feel like कि mentorship is necessary. उसके बगैर मुश्किल हो जाएगा, काम नहीं चलेगा.
Absolutely, very well said when you say. There's another quote about mentorship, that mentors see hope in you when you could never see it in yourself beforehand. Exactly. And that is exactly how it is. And in my life as well, the mentors that I've had the privilege of being with, they have transformed me into this person that I could never imagine to be. And it is just, the power of mentorship is amazing. I mean, so
that is something that they believe in you. Yes. At that time when we actually have no hope or believe in ourselves.
Yes. And if someone else takes that step, believing in you, and then you also start believing in yourself.
So that makes you okay, now I can do it. Yes. I can assure you, I would really love to mention my current line manager. He is the one who's been after me that you need to do this TTT thing. And after that, once we are done with the TTT program by Carnelian, he's like, now you're supposed to deliver a session. I was just like, okay, I'll do that. But yesterday when I delivered that session, I was over the 7th sky. Man, this is something which I dreamed of. Somewhere back in your mind, किसी को देखकर आप एक वो करते थे, कभी हम भी ऐसे खड़े होकर डिलीवर कर रहे होंगे. Now you are the one who's running the show, 8-hour long long day, and you are the one who's engaging with the participants, and you are seeing their expressions, and you are doing just things just to make it worthable. So I guess this is something, and I couldn't thank them enough, and to Almighty as well. They believed in me, they given me the platform, they given me the opportunity, and they trusted me with that. When I would trust me with that, Farah, I would have been the same person who's been doing the operation things, and I would be happy with it. ठीक है जी, मैंने पेरोल चला लिया, I am done with it. मैंने जो है ना वो अपने अटेंडेंस को पार्ट करके सब कुछ कर लिया. They are the one who actually saw the potential. नहीं, this girl can go far beyond this, and I'm thankful to them. This is something done.
Now, talking about training and development, since you have a very good experience in this and different industries as well, so people, especially students who want to pursue their career in training and development, what advice would you give to them to excel in training and development?
To excel in training and development, I would say first you need to find out your passion, where you are, what do you want in your life. It's just not कि, I would mold this answer in a way, हम HR में सिर्फ इसलिए आ जाते हैं कि नहीं कहीं और कुछ करने के लिए नहीं था, ऐसा नहीं है। आपने कोई भी काम करना है, रिगार्डलेस कि आप ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं, आप सेल्स में जा रहे हैं, आप किसी भी फील्ड में जा रहे हैं, व्हाट इज मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इज दैट यू नीड टू नो कि मुझे करना क्या है। If you are interested in training and development, I would say you are more than welcome, but come along the way that you really need to level up your game. It's just not कि आपने खड़े होकर के जो है वो डिलीवर कर दिया, आपको उन तक वो बात कन्वे करनी है in a way कि they'll take that thing with them.
Yes.
जब आप नहीं होंगे और आपका वो मैसेज सबलिमिनल उनके ब्रेन में होगा, ये सबलिमिनल मैसेज के तौर पे उनके लेफ्ट ब्रेन के अंदर वो पार्क होगा। दैट्स एन आर्ट, यू नीड टू वर्क ऑन दैट। एंड अगर उसके हम ऊपर बात करें, सो इट्स अ फील्ड कि जो अब इज इन द डिमांड। It's all about employee development. It's all about self-development. It's all about how you are upgrading yourself. It's all about how you are going to treat the people. It's all about how you are going to, make connections and relationship building ka element ek aa jayega, how you are going to do with that. So all to those students who really want to be a part of training and development, I would say that more than welcome, join us and you would be able to know कि इस वक्त मार्केट निश है, इतना हमारे पास पाकिस्तान के अंदर स्टिल ट्रेनिंग एंड डेवलपमेंट उस लेवल के ऊपर नहीं हो रहा जिस तरीके से बाहर हो रहा है। तो अगर हम उन लोगों को सही प्रॉपर वे के अंदर ट्रेन कर दें, इट्स जस्ट नॉट ट्रेनिंग कि आपने ट्रेनिंग डिलीवर करवा दी, और आई फील कि sky is the limit, right? The way हम बाकी career के अंदर जिस तरह से excel करेंगे, in a similar way we would be able to excel in training and development as well.
Absolutely. So pointing out one thing that you mentioned, that people, they don't know if they want to pursue it or not, but if everyone is doing it or if it's easy, so they do it. So I was watching this one video, which was an interview of Oprah, and she mentioned, it was asked that what is that one thing that is very similar in all successful people, since you interview all the successful people in the world. So she mentioned that the only thing that is similar is they know what they want. Exactly. That is it. If you know what you want, you are going to get it. But most of the time, because we are so much connected with our society and everything, so we are influenced by our peers, by our people around us, and we don't know what we want.
We are actually influenced. We are actually influenced by our cousins, our very close circle, friends, because उसने engineering कर ली and he excels in engineering. मैंने भी इंजीनियरिंग करनी, वो डॉक्टर बन गया, मैंने भी डॉक्टर बनना है। नो वन वुड से कि वो आर्टिस्ट बन गया, मैंने भी आर्टिस्ट बनना है। सो इट्स एन एडवाइस टू एवरीवन, रिगार्डलेस कि आप स्टूडेंट हैं, अपने एंट्री लेवल पे हैं, मिड लेवल पे हैं, एट एनी पॉइंट इन टाइम, इफ यू गॉट टू नो कि व्हाट यू रियली वांट इन योर लाइफ, गो आफ्टर इट, फॉलो दैट ड्रीम, बिकॉज दैट विल मेक यू स्टैंड समवेयर no one else is going to reach at that point. That is an easy thing. वहाँ पर आपको किसी को बताना नहीं पड़ेगा आपने क्या करना है, and people would not trust you with that. People would be like, what you are doing, but all you need to do is just to make yourself convinced with that कि जो मैंने सोचा है, जो मैंने चाहा है, वो मैंने सही किया। उसमें फिर हमें इन्फ्लुएंस नहीं होना। हमारा एक मसला ये भी है कि मैं फ़रा के पास आई हूँ और मैंने फ़रा से आके पूछा, फ़रा आजकल मार्केट में क्या ट्रेंडिंग है, फ़रा ने मुझे बताया ना, अडॉप्ट दैट। आई गो बैक टू माई वर्क प्लेस, वहाँ पे मुझे पता चला कि अब आजकल कुछ और ट्रेंडिंग है और मैंने वहाँ से अपने आप को स्विच कर दिया। हमारे पास हमारा USP नहीं है। In sales, there's a very common term कि what is the unique selling point of that product that you are going to sell. I really want to give this message to everyone through this platform. Identify your USP. What is your unique selling point? We are the product. You are the product. I am the product. So what is our unique selling point?
So my next question to you is about learning culture.
Okay.
So being in training and development, of course, a very important objective of your department is to inculcate this learning culture within your organization. So what do you think, how organizations can build this learning culture where everyone wants to learn more?
Organization needs to invest in employee development. That is the most important thing. ठीक है, once आप अपने employee के ऊपर invest करना start कर दोगे, that would help that employee, that would help that organization to go for a continuous learning procedure के अंदर वो चला जाएगा, rather than कि हम जो है वो एक आध ट्रेनिंग के ऊपर भेज दें और हम उसके बाद कहें कि नहीं हम इसको कर रहे हैं. आप अपने हमारे पास इन पाकिस्तान आप चेक कीजिए on organization को that are working or that have been working continuously and upgrading their learning culture. How they are going to do that? They are just continuously working on to that. They are adding on the thing onto it. कि on top of it अब हम क्या कर सकते हैं? On top of it अब हम क्या कर सकते हैं? अगर हमने एक element कर लिया है तो अब उसके बाद हमें next क्या करना है? So the most important thing, rather than कि आप किसी और उनको जो है वो बाहर भेज रहे हैं, कुछ कर रहे हैं, invest in the employee development because that would last. When your employee is skilled enough, that would pay you back more than anything. वरना होता हमारे पास ये है कि मुझ पे जो है वो इन्वेस्ट किसी और ने किया होता है और उसका पे ऑफ जो है वो कोई और ले रहा होता है. So when if my organization is investing in me, so they definitely have the ROI of that thing as well.
Yes.
And that would be beneficial for both the organization and the employee as well. ऐसा नहीं होगा कि वो मुझ पे मेरी इन्वेस्टमेंट अगर मुझ पे कर रहे हैं या मुझ पे जो है वो मेरी डेवलपमेंट के ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं तो that is there कि वो मुझे अपग्रेड कर रहा है, but at the same time that is upgrading the level of their employee as well.
Yes.
That is upgrading the level of their continuous their learning culture as well. That is very important, one has to work on it.
Yes. And it all adds up to, of course, organization development and success. True. Then last question, which is about LinkedIn. Since you're very active on LinkedIn and you post really frequently, I also follow your posts and they're really insightful. So for people who want to grow their LinkedIn network and want to use it more effectively, what do you have to say?
The most important tip, don't use it as Facebook, please. That is your professional, I repeat, professional platform. Your likes, your comments, your sharings, that is, viewed by every single person. जितने बंदे आपके कनेक्शन के अंदर होते हैं. To all those people, I always say, build a very strong reputation, build a very strong personal brand, be उसके ऊपर on LinkedIn. And for that, you need to be authentic. Consistency needs to be there.
Yes.
And the most important thing, आप किस पे कमेंट कर रहे हो, क्या लाइक कर रहे हो, क्या शेयर कर रहे हो, आपका कंटेंट क्या है, आपकी ऑडियंस क्या है, you need to look into that. Trust me with that. If you are going to work on these just few things, you are the one who's going to do the wonders. Because right now or a coming days ahead, people would not ask for your resume. They just go and check your LinkedIn profile.
Yes, absolutely.
Recruiters don't have time for. अब बहुत सारे organizations के अंदर तो जो है वो openings भी नहीं होते हैं. They just headhunters are there and they are just searching people. They are making a talent pool of it कि जितने लोग active हैं वो कौन है, उसका designation क्या है. I have seen many profiles जिसके ऊपर वो proper update नहीं हो रहा होता या they don't have their proper profile picture or they haven't updated their current organization. They mark it as confidential. Like we are working for some other organization, okay? But still, these are the things you need to be very much authentic. Whatever you are sharing on LinkedIn, make sure of it, this is going to make you pay off in both ways, either positive, either negative. So you need to be very careful for that.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for your insight. It was lovely meeting you and it was lovely having this conversation with you. Thanks.
Pleasure meeting you, Farah. Thank you for calling out.